July 2024 we have Pohjoinen Liipolankatu was at 12.
Yes.
Stages B. Also here in Liipola, Lahti, Finland, the capacity is for per 20 grams. Completely impossible to get inside. And here in the buildings 10, 12 and 14 we have gotten stages C in each of them. There are some floors here. It was built in late 1971 by Kone with 8 fixtures. This embrace H25616 from last in 2002 by Kone without the fixtures. But the building 14 is different from the buildings 10 to 12 because building 14 has valve engineer from the beginning of 1972. Also runs without them, but they are regular traction. 10 to 12 got eco-disc engines but still no indoors. That is quite unusual.
Yeah. Expected by device plant maintained by also nowadays practice.
Yeah, it's bottom driven with eco-disc machine.
Yeah.
That's it, thanks so much.
That's